Hey everyone, welcome back. Did you get your Vinted closet completely disappear? Showing this member isn't selling anything even though you have active listings. Here's the fix. First, force close the Vinted app completely from your recent apps. Then, wait for a few hours and reopen it. Since this isn't selling anything, display is usually a display refresh issue where the app is showing a caged empty state rather than your actual listings. A fresh relaunch pulls current data from the server and your items appear. If they're still gone after relaunching, go to the App Store and update the Vinted app to the latest version. Since this specific display bug has been reported and patched in recent builds, after updating and relaunching, your closet should repopulate. If items still are gone after updating and a fresh relaunch, then check vinted.com in Safari. Your listings should appear there if they are genuinely still active on the server, which confirms the issue is app's display rather than your listings actually being deleted. So all you've got to do is force close and reopen. Closet usually appears. Update Vinted and check vinted.com to confirm listings are still live, and that's it. Subscribe.